Hello folks, my name is Kevin Upton and we're going to show you a neat feature on the 2020 Ford Explorer. We're coming to you from Long Lewis Ford. We're going to be taking a test drive. We're going to show you about the blind spot monitoring system. It is a wonderful safety feature. I'm going to show you all about it and how it works. If you don't understand, please watch this video and I hope it helps. Come on, let's go for a ride. Okay folks, first what we want to do is make sure the blind spot information system with cross traffic alert is turned on. And how you do that, you go into your touchscreen display here and hit settings, driver assistance, and here's your adaptive cruise control, your lane keeping system, your pre-collision assist. These are all safety features. And here's your blind spot information system. That's off and that's on. Now we'll take it for a test drive and I'll show you how it works. Going to make a left turn into the other lane, you're automatically going to look left, but sometimes you have a blind spot and there it lets you know there's a car in the way and it goes to flashing if you put your blinker on to warn you and catch your attention. Oh, there's a car coming up on us here. Look how it warns you. If you turn your blinker on, it flashes to catch your attention. Make sure that you don't have someone in your blind spot. It warns you if you can't see them. It's a wonderful safety system. It's on just about every Ford. I would highly suggest getting one with that because it helps me out constantly on test drives and all my customers love it. But thanks for watching. My name's Kevin Upton and I'm with Long Lewis Ford in Corinth. Come see us and test this feature out for yourself. Have a great day.